Hey, we're out at the boat. Here's what we've got. We've got these great boards here. We love these things. They make it really easy to dock. And look at how it's growing to the boat here. Hey, we're going to take these off and rebuild them. So stay tuned, like and subscribe. Don't miss it. All right, looks like the guy who made this did an excellent job. He did own a machine shop, so that's an extra plus. So we wish you to put, gonna have to get an extension. We'll be right back. All right, so we're gonna use a little of this PB Blaster. Looks like he used everything stainless, this guy that did this, except for the nuts. Hey, what's cool is you can see the color the boat should be when we buff it up. That's what it should look like. Very cool. Take these out. Put our nuts back on so we don't lose them. Okay, I'm going to go do the other side. Okay, got a little more hose. All right. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll show you how we put these back on after we polish the boat. All right, now we're going to try to get these bolts loose. Not sure how well that's going to work. Ooh, worked well. Easy. All right, there's one on each one. Let's figure out how we take this apart. I have to drive that out of there. So, cut this. You get a knife, you cut through the carpet on this one and this one. We try to cut this through. Oh, yeah, we have a problem. It's a carriage nut. It's going to be very hard to get loose. So I think we're going to have to split the wood. Should be able to get them out though. Easy to split. I might get a chisel on that. All right. All right, we'll throw this out. What a mess. Hey, welcome back. So we did some things while you were gone. We drilled and counterbored some holes there for our screws. And we got new wood pieces from an old trailer we had that are in better shape than the old rotted ones. So we're going to put them on. First thing we got to do is put these back on. But the big thing here is we got these pieces and rusty nuts. So let's put a little never seize on these. Then what we got to do is we got to put these through here. This was through here like this, and this one on the back side. There we get that one. All right, we're going to go get set up for the putting the board on. We'll show you that. So we'll be back. All right, Ryobi drill. We got some screws here. They're going to go in these holes up here. So these holes. You start out by putting this on here like this. That way, this way. Yep, that's got it showing. Let's get the other one. Now what we can do, put this in the hole and kind of start it. Kind of want it to be just like that. So this is right near the top. We'll push this one down. So again, it's right near the top. And put a screw in here. Nice that they're a little away. We bent them so it's away from the boat so it won't make a mark like the last one. Yep, already a hole there. That's it. Oh, you do go to the other side, but take a look. And you can see we got a gap there. The gap between the boat and the bar. We did that so we won't get mold growth. Like the last one had mold growth, really bad. Well, the Maxim floats. Doesn't take water into the bilge, that's a good thing. Sat here all day with the anchor lights on, the refrigerator on, the radio on, the marine radio on, dash lights on, and started right up after 7 hours. So our anchoring test is good, and get some better weather, we'll take it out on the river. Don't forget to like and subscribe.